Good afternoon, dear students. This is Mandeep Sani. Today I'm going to discuss the first poem which is available in your English Circle book. The name of the poem is A Mistake. I'm going to start the reading first. I studied my tables. I studied my tables over and over and BACK back WARD bird backward and FOR for WARD bird forward too. I studied my table over and over and backward and forward too. In this poem, there is a one girl. The name of the girl is Dorothy. Actually, she is finding problem in learning tables. She studied her tables over and over, backward to forward, forward to backward, but still she is finding problem in learning tables. Now, students, we will see what is happening next in the story. The next line is, what? I couldn't remember, but I couldn't remember 6 times 9s and I didn't know what to do. Although she is learning her table with a different matter, but still she is finding problem. She couldn't remember that 6 times 9 is equal to what? And I didn't know what to do, and she is not understanding what should she do. Till my sister told me to play with my doll, and then her sister suggested her to play with her doll and not to bother, not to bother my head. Bother means जब हम किसी को तंग करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं bother करना, okay? And not to bother my head, मेरा सर मत खाओ, okay? Her sister told her, her sister suggested her to play with her doll and not to bother her. If you call her 54 for a while, you will learn it by her, she said. Her sister also told her that if you call her doll with the name of 54, then you will easily learn that 6 into 9 is equal to 54. But to learn 6 times 9 is equal to 54, you have to call her doll with the name of 54. So I took my right. So I took my favorite Mary Ann. Actually, there is a problem with Dorothy. She loves to call her doll with the name of Mary Ann. Though I thought TWS was actually it was a DREAD, dread, FUL, full, dreadful, shame, to give such a PER, FEC, factial, vitally, perfectly lovely child, such a perfectly HORRI, horrible name. Actually, Dorothy is thinking that her doll is very beautiful and she doesn't like to call her doll with the name of 54. She is thinking that it is very bad name, very shameful name and such a horrible name also. And I called her my little 54 100 times till I knew the answer of 6 times 9 as well as the answer of 2 times 2. To learn my tables, to become a master of my tables, to remember 6 times 9 is equal to what? I have to call my doll 54. So, to learn 6 times 9 is equal to 54, I recited even 100 times, minimum 100 times I recited 6 times 9 is equal to 54. Then I came to know that 6 times 9 is equal to 54. Next day, ELILEZ is Elizabeth, Beth, Elizabeth, WIGG, Wig, LES, less, Wigless, WORTH, worth. Next day, Elizabeth Wigglesworth, who acted so proud. Now student, you are thinking that who is Elizabeth Wigglesworth? Elizabeth Wigglesworth उसकी फ्रेंड थी जो अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा समझती थी कि मैं किसी से कम नहीं हूँ, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है, मुझे सब कुछ आता है, सब कुछ पता है. Said 6 times 9 is 52. 6 times 9 is equal to 52. And I nearly laughed out loud. And मैंने बहुत जोर से हंसना स्टार्ट कर दिया. But I wished I hadn't, one teacher said. Now, Dorothy, tell if you can. Then teacher asked me, Dorothy, you can also give the right answer. If you know the right answer, then you can also tell to the students. For I thought of my doll, and sakes alive, I answered Mary Ann. Then I just thought of my doll, and then I answered to my teacher, Mary Ann. Actually, it is very funny story, students. Instead of saying 54, she answered 6 times 9 is equal to 50. 6 times 9 is equal to, Mary Ann. Dorothy forgot the answer. At the meantime, she forgot the answer. She answered to the teacher that 6 times 9 is equal to Mary Ann. So that's all about the story. I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you.